What's up, y'all? It's Key Free, and welcome back to Key Free TV. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and like, and talk to your girl in the comments because I don't bite. Y'all never talk to me, but it's okay. It's all right. Today you can hear Kai in the background snoring, but we're about to go home, get dressed, and I'm heading to dinner with my niece, nephew, and my oldest son. They're teenagers, so you know, auntie, the cool auntie, we gotta hang out with the teens sometimes. So I'm taking them out to dinner just to hang out, and then I'll do something with, I'll do something with the younger kids another day. Kate's birthday is coming up, so maybe then, I don't know. But auntie love the kids. I got a lot of nieces and nephews, and I can't keep up with all of them all the time. But I love each and every one of you. So yeah.
Happy birthday.
It's not nobody's birthday.
Every day is somebody's birthday. Yes. Everybody.
Happy birthday. Egg roll.
Yep, that's him right there. That's him right there. I told you. That's him right there. Who next? No, him. You put it out. Who next? Okay, do it. That's okay. How about right here?
Baby, we ain't doing it. Go ahead.
Okay. She didn't cry when it came to y'all. It's only because we're the family, so she's like,
What is he doing to them?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, y'all, it's a new day, and Kate and I just had this random idea to come to the mall and get Dad something, like a gift. I think he deserves one. So anyway, we're about to go to the jewelry store and see what we can find. So let's do that.
This is Miami.
Curb chain. Miami curb chain?
Yeah. Oh, bracelet.
Yeah, bracelet.
This one is that's 30 grams, you see? So this one is solid, yes, solid. That's like 5.6 grams.
We're at K's, and I found Dad a bracelet that I think he's really gonna like. It's 32 grams, solid gold. Thank me later.
How are you gonna give it to him?
I don't know yet.
Oh, you know, baby, you know.
He's a good husband, though.
I just like the way you look.
What I'll do is I'll steakhouse for safety.
Yep. Thank you.
If you know anybody else with a good service, send them my way.
Thank you, Tim.
Yes, ma'am. You have a good one.
You too. Okay, so we got Dad a bracelet, but now we're getting Caden something for his B-Day. Because it's your B-Day, you the B-Day, right? You the birthday. If you don't get a dependent, we can look at bracelets if you want. No, not into that. I take advantage of the sale and get me a bracelet.
And this one does not fit.
Look.
You see the ring.
You like it?
Where you wanted him to wear it now, or you want me to box it?
Can you box it, please? Okay, one down. No, I'm saying one present.
Oh, this is birthday gift. Happy birthday. Wait, has it passed?
It's coming up.
Happy early birthday.
She said happy early birthday. Thank you. It's only the 15th necklace. I got 3 more.
Okay.
He the most responsible.
You only have boys?
Can't have a girl to save my life, and it's okay. We're not gonna try it.
Really?
It's okay. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
My kids, I don't do none of that stuff.
Yeah, we got the juice. We got the juice. Me and Kay wanted to get some pretzels, so we just went to Aunt Annie's. And I'm gonna try this peach lemonade frozen. So I hope, you know, I like it and enjoy it. It's hot out here, so, and we done spent a lot of money today, so we about to go home and eat our pretzels and all that stuff. I didn't have time to get a card, so I'm just gonna put this right here with a nice little note, okay? And yeah, so when he come in the house, we gonna hope he see this and open it and be excited. I'm gonna try to get his reaction, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it, cause yeah. But I'm gonna tell y'all how he liked it if he like it. So stay tuned.
So.
You gotta read it.
This 32 grams?
Mm-hmm.
God dang. Dang.
You like it? You
Gotta
can get a size.
Yeah, I gotta get a size a little bit. I wasn't expecting nothing. You got me on camera? Jesus. Yeah, I gotta get a size. How about this? I love it. Thank you. I know y'all had some up y'all sleeve because I seen him trying to block the camera. That ain't crazy.
Let's see that suspicious.
He was that obvious.
Let's go sit on the racetrack and waste.
What's up, y'all? We outside and we're about to go get something to eat. We're about to go try this Mexican place. This downtown. I never been here, but let's try it and see how good it is. Me encanta.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be?
Where the bathroom at?
The bathroom's gonna be all the way down there to the left. You're gonna see the sign.
I want a virgin strawberry mango daiquiri frozen.
It can only be one flavor.
Let me do strawberry. If I have a question, do you think the pasta good, or should I get the birria tacos?
What pasta are you looking at?
The mi encanto?
It's just a hit or miss for that pasta. I see the birria tacos.
Let me get those.
Tacos were like corn or flour tortilla.
We can do flour.
Got one more.
Hey, can we get some jalapenos? Jalapenos?
Jalapenos?
Yeah. You got some?
Yeah, we got some. You want it pickled or do you want it grilled? Like the fresh ones?
Just the fresh ones.
Fresh ones?
Yeah.
They fill me up just like the rest of the
It's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
They meat.
Yeah.
How it go?
Out of 10.
They're not the best in the city, no.
I think it's nasty out of 10. Not really bad.
All right, y'all. So I just got a package and I want to unbox it with y'all. I'm really excited because I've been waiting in the mail for this one. So I'm gonna rip it open and see. So if you watched my other vlog, when we went to Miami, I first bought my first Pandora bracelet in Miami with a travel charm, but I lost it. I lost my bracelet. I don't know where it's at. Since then, I did get this one. This is a silver one. So just let's do a little quick tour, okay? I got this bracelet in Korea. If you watched that travel vlog, then you would have known that. There go my Korea charm. Okay, this just a clip. I got this from Boobie. He bought that for me. This is an infinity knot that I got, and then Boo also bought me that one. It says mom. And then I got this one in Korea, and this is just a little clip so they won't fall off. So that's like my first silver bracelet. The one I got in Miami was gold, so I was like, oh man, I wear gold mostly. So anyway, let's go through it together, and we gonna go through these charms together and put our bracelet together. I'm so excited. So these are all the charms that I got, and then this is a charm, and this is the bracelet. So I'm gonna start with the bracelet. I'm so excited. Baby, what is this? What is this? What is this? This is not gonna fit around my wrist. What is this? Y'all, please don't tip me off. I can't fit this. This is not my size. Pandora, please. Let's just go through the charms that I got. I'll show you the charms. So this first charm that I got is did they seal it? Like what? I guess I'll put it on this bracelet until I can get another one. So hold on. Okay, the first charm that we got is, can y'all see it? It's like a little gold charm with pearls. Yes. Okay. I don't want to do mixed metals, but this is how it look. All right. The second charm I got is a pink glass merino charm. The third charm I got is, can't open these things. They like seal them tight, baby. They don't play. This is a gold tulip charm. Let me put it on so you can see. Gold tulip charm. Now these charms here that I'm about to show you, these next three, these are charms that Boo got me for my other gold bracelet that I lost, that I never got a chance to, you know, whatever. So this one is the mother of pearl and gold clip. This one is a gold medallion piece that you can engrave. And this one is the gold alphabet, and it's a K. All right, let me show you. I got three more charms. The gold heart, and it's just a spacer, so just like a little bitty gold heart. Let's put her on there. I got this one. I really love this one. This one is so cute. Hold on. This one is a dangle charm. It's a gold pink heart. It's so cute. All right, so far, okay, let's look. So we got the little mother of pearl gold wave charm, the pink merino glass, the pink tulip, the gold K, this dangly one, the gold heart, and then the pink dangly heart. And then I have one more merino glass charm. And I'm trying not to get irritated that they just sent me that little bitty bracelet. Alright, so once I get my gold bracelet, I'll fix this up to make the stack look better, but this is kind of what we're working with. And so yeah. And I need to put my gold clip on there. So I got the clip, mother of pearl clip on there now. So yeah, that's the stack. That's the vibe. It's cutesy. So cutesy. That's it. That's the Pandora unboxing. I gotta go to the mall to get this chain switched out because this little bitty old bracelet is not gonna fit on my wrist. But anyways, yeah, that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, live grateful.
Take her higher.